11:14, and we are talking about the unseasonably warm weather that we are experiencing here in North Texas. And you know, I get it. I saw a lot of folks out and about over the weekend, some sunning on their patios.
Me too.
So look, the sun, I don't mind. It's the temperatures that get into the 90s and just give you that sense of July that I am nowhere near ready for.
I know. We're supposed to be able to wear our blazers outside.
Right?
Yeah, that's not going to be the case today. I mean, it's already in the 80s mark, and we still have time to warm up. Let's go ahead and take a look outside. Clyde Warren Park camera showing 80 degrees as we look over Dallas. We do see a little blue sky, a little bit of cloud cover. That cloud cover not doing too much to our temperatures. I'm going to show you this again because, wow, right? 93 the high today. That's 30 degrees above what's considered normal for late February. 88 on Tuesday, 24 degrees above normal. Both days likely seeing record high temperatures. Tomorrow morning, we could also see a record warm low temperature. We will then see a 40-degree temperature drop into the 50s Wednesday and Thursday, all thanks to a front before those temperatures rebound right back. So how common are 90s in February? Not all that common. The last time we saw this, though, was just last year. February 21st, we hit 90 degrees. The hottest record, though, for February 96, that happened on February 25th in 1904. This is actually, by the way, only happened 9 times in the 124 years of records being kept at DFW. Today will make it number 10. Big thanks to Kyle Roberts for finding out those details for us. Okay, so the earliest 90-degree days on any given calendar, the record is actually January 31st in 1911. Then we have to jump to about February 21st, as most recent as last year, the 24th, the 25th. So you get my idea, right? Today would be the 7th earliest 90-degree day in our record books for DFW. Again, the high of 93, also record-breaking for today because the record is 90 that was set in 1917. But I want you to look at these numbers. Look at that, mid-90s, even warmer for our western counties. It's all because of the dry air that's in place. We're dealing with a little bit more moisture for our eastern counties. That's where highs are in the mid-80s. That is where we're going to see slightly higher humidity. But what's happening is we have a dry line that's setting up. The dry line helping push in dry air into the western half of North Texas. That's including DFW, which is why we have an elevated fire danger for the western half of the area, not just today, but tomorrow as well. So you're dealing with the record heat today and tomorrow, and you're dealing with the potential for some elevated fire danger. So avoid any activities that could lead to sparks. I know we've had some great beneficial rainfall over the last couple of months, but our grass is still dormant. Right? We still see a lot of dry grass out there, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so we do have a lot more in the way of cloud cover along our far western counties. We are going to stay dry today and tomorrow. A cold front is going to arrive Tuesday night. So let's talk you through that. This is Tuesday around 7. Tomorrow's high in the upper 80s. That front comes in. We're not going to be dealing with too much in the way of moisture. We might see some cloud cover, but any rain potential really staying to our northeast. And then Wednesday, we're looking at highs in the mid 50s. Same goes for Thursday, but look at what happens on Thursday. We have this disturbance that takes shape across West Texas. It's going to expand, eventually include North Texas. So rain does return, but it will hold off until Thursday. That's when we have about 40% coverage. I am expecting to see drier conditions over the weekend. As far as how much rain, it's not going to be a lot, less than about a quarter of an inch for most of North Texas. And I'm not expecting severe weather on Thursday. However, I am looking ahead to Sunday into Monday. We could see some thunderstorms there, so I am going to be watching that closely. Next week, not looking quite as warm as this week, Mark.
So just stick around and wait. Things will cool off.
And always
Bring it on. All right, 11.